Let's see if this will pull out. I think it did. Plant it. I just found a spot in my garden that was bare. I'm gonna throw this in there. Just go ahead and put some of this partially composted leaves and stuff around it. See if I can keep some water in there. This pot has marigold. It also has some peppers, but I'm about tired of peppers, y'all. But I'm just going to take these peppers out, shake off the dirt. I'll pick what peppers are on there. That's sugar rush right there. Keep them and then compost whatever I don't have. This I think is supposed to be Anaheim. I'm going to take those off there and get seeds out of some of them, and that way I have it for next year. Let's see if this marigold will just pull out. Look at that. Let's go plant it. I'm going to do the same thing with this other pot. Then I'll just water all these in, and that way that'll help them overcome some of that shock, I hope. Then we'll start planting the wicking buckets. I'm going to put a little bit of composted chicken manure on there. It's been sitting out for several months, or actually probably longer than that, but just kind of work it into the ground a little bit. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some topsoil over the top of it. I'm doing this with all 3 buckets. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and fill up my reserve. I'm going to put this spinach. This is Bloomsdale spinach. I have had the worst success trying to grow spinach, but I'm determined. So hopefully this wicking bed, it'll do the job. In this other bed I've got some Imperator carrot. Imperator. I-M-P-E-R-A-T-O-R. That's going to go in that bed. And right here I got some buttercrunch lettuce. This lettuce always does good for us. My wife loves it, so we're going to put it in that bed. I'm just going to sprinkle it around. Make sure it has good contact with the dirt. And then we'll cover it up. I'm going to put something over the top of it too. I think I'm going to do it like my carrots. I always cover my carrots because that helps with germination. I'm going to go ahead and plant these carrots and lettuce, and then we'll come back. I went ahead and put cardboard over the lettuce and the carrots, and then over here on this other side I put some paper, just some newspaper over the spinach. And I'll check them. I'll give them a couple of days, and then I'll start checking them and see if they're starting to sprout. Once they start to germinate and come up, then I'll take the cardboard off and just let them go from there. Hopefully the weather will cool a little bit. I mean, they've been saying it's going to cool for a while, but it hadn't happened. Let me take just a second and thank all of y'all for joining, and those of you that are new subscribers, we appreciate you joining up and hope that we have something of value for you. We do have a live on Tuesdays at 9 o'clock Central Time, and we'd love for you to join us. If you hadn't ever joined us, hop on in there, and if you have a channel, if you have a YouTube channel you want to promote, you just come on and let us know. And if you're new, we certainly will put your channel link out there and try and get to know you. But that's about all I got for you today. We thank you for coming along. God, I don't know what that is. It didn't get me. Not yet. Whoop. You about got me that time. God bless y'all, and y'all have a fantastic week.